tells me that these are mega houses. And we are now back on the main road. Here at the left will be Manchester Road, again heading to the town. If we take the left, if we take the right, we're going to Mandeville. So it seems like the rain has stopped, so let's go. Okay. Now we are in the town again after the rain. Oh, after the rain. As we can see, today is lonely, no? Because it's a holiday. Apart from that, it's Sunday. So not too much people around. not much traffic today. Okay, let's take this direction to show you South Race Course. That's the one where we have the tax office. Seemed like it was raining heavily here. Yeah. So this way. So tax office. I'm going to just take you there so that you know where it is. This way, this road is called South Race Course. We have Master Mac here. It's a supermarket. The tax office is right here, and see if I just turn in there. Just turning in here. This is where the tax office is located, right here, and the post office, Mandeville post office, is this one right in front. All right. Now, let's continue the course. There is a plaza around here. Yes, sir. Good. And just remember, once we go on Caledonia Road, there is only one way to go. Which will be to my right. There is no left turn anymore. Let's see if we can go right across Sovereign Center. Yes, sir. Around is the Sovereign Center. Mandeville. Wait. I don't like to come here because they still haven't fixed the road, so it's too bad. Because it was wet, it's too bad, so I'm not going there. We have here Wendy's and Domino's Pizza as well. They are located in these two sections. So let me go to the drive-through for Domino's Pizza and Wendy's. Wow, it's so wet. It's so wet. This is their drive-through. So you order right in there, and then you collect around here. This is Wendy's, and this is Wendy's. So as we continue, I think they have not fixed this entrance. See how wet it? It's too wet, too bad. Alright, so let's go. Let's get going. Now only turn to my left. It's too wet to go slowly because it's too wet now. Mandeville Hospital is here to my right. That's the Mandeville Hospital. This bus is like in the wrong place. So I think it's time for me to go back. Did we go in this one? This one is North Race Course. Let's go in this one. This one will take us back to Manchester Shopping Center. My feet are wet now. My feet are wet. And it seems like it's going to rain, so it's better for me to just return. Let me show you quickly Manchester Shopping Center. It's around here, and then we return. This is Manchester Shopping Center. This is the back entrance. And everything is closed today. You don't see many vehicles here in the parking. So it's time to go. Which way can we go? KFC right in front as well. Pizza Hut, KFC, Burger King. Those are the places that we find here. Oh, I came in the wrong way. Remember that here we cannot turn. So we will have to go around practically. Question now, can we stream live?